AI tools you won't believe that are free. Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative force across industries, reshaping how we work, communicate, and innovate. While the perception might be that cutting-edge AI tools come with a hefty price tag, there's a treasure trove of powerful AI tools available for free. These tools are not only accessible but also have the potential to revolutionize your workflow, from simplifying tasks to unlocking creative possibilities. In this video, we delve into a collection of AI tools that are so impressive, you won't believe they come without a price tag. TensorFlow, powering machine learning dreams. TensorFlow, an open-source machine learning framework developed by the Google Brain team, has become synonymous with the democratization of machine learning. Its versatility extends from building neural networks for deep learning to handling various mathematical computations. TensorFlow supports a wide range of applications, including natural language processing, image recognition, and predictive analytics. OpenAI GPT, conversations with a machine mind. OpenAI's GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, models are at the forefront of natural language processing. GPT-3, the third iteration, is particularly noteworthy for its ability to generate human-like text and engage in coherent conversations. Despite its sophistication, OpenAI has made the GPT-3 API available for developers to integrate into their applications, opening up a realm of possibilities for interactive and context-aware AI. From chatbots that understand context to content creation assistants, GPT-3 is a game changer. The fact that developers can access this powerful language model without a hefty licensing fee is nothing short of revolutionary. Whether you're crafting compelling narratives or building intelligent applications, GPT-3 is a tool that defies the conventional expectations of cost associated with cutting-edge AI. SciKit Learn, machine learning for everyone. SciKit Learn is a free, open-source machine learning library for Python that simplifies the process of implementing various algorithms. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, SciKit Learn provides tools for data mining and data analysis, making it an excellent resource for both beginners and seasoned data scientists. Fast.ai, accelerating deep learning education. Fast.ai, a high-level deep learning library built on top of PyTorch, is not just a tool, it's an educational powerhouse. Founded on the principle that deep learning should be accessible to everyone, Fast.ai provides a top-notch platform for learning and implementing advanced machine learning techniques. What sets Fast.ai apart is its commitment to democratizing AI education. The library comes with rich documentation, tutorials, and pre-built models that facilitate rapid learning. Fast.ai's free courses are a goldmine for those looking to grasp the intricacies of deep learning without shelling out a dime. It's a testament to the belief that knowledge should be freely shared, especially in the dynamic field of artificial intelligence. Microsoft Cognitive Services, AI for all platforms. Microsoft Cognitive Services offers a suite of AI tools and services that cater to a wide range of applications. From computer vision and speech recognition to language understanding, Microsoft Cognitive Services encapsulates the power of AI in a user-friendly package. What's impressive is the free tier that Microsoft provides for many of its cognitive services. Developers can integrate these services into their applications without incurring additional costs up to a certain usage limit. This opens the door for startups, hobbyists, and developers working on small-scale projects to leverage the capabilities of cutting-edge AI without the burden of a hefty financial commitment. Hugging Face Transformers, NLP in the fast lane. Hugging Face has emerged as a go-to platform for natural language processing, NLP, enthusiasts. Their Transformers library provides a comprehensive collection of pre-trained models for various NLP tasks, ranging from text classification to language translation. The beauty of Hugging Face Transformers lies in its simplicity and efficiency. With just a few lines of code, developers can harness the power of state-of-the-art NLP models. The fact that this resource is freely available makes it an indispensable tool for anyone working on projects that involve understanding and generating human-like text. Keras, deep learning made simple. Keras, an open-source deep learning API written in Python, is designed for ease of use and extensibility. It acts as a high-level interface to neural networks, allowing developers to prototype and experiment with deep learning models without delving into the complexities of low-level implementations. The simplicity of Keras does not compromise its capabilities. It can run on top of popular deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and Theno, providing users with the flexibility to choose their backend. Keras exemplifies the idea that powerful tools can be both user-friendly and freely accessible, fostering a community of innovation and collaboration. OpenCV, Visionary Computer Vision. OpenCV, Open Source Computer Vision Library, is a free, open-source computer vision and machine learning software library. With a rich set of functions, OpenCV empowers developers to tackle a wide array of tasks related to image and video processing, from simple tasks like face detection to complex challenges like object recognition. Apache MXNet, Scalable and Efficient Deep Learning. Apache MXNet, an open-source deep learning framework, is recognized for its efficiency and scalability. It supports a variety of languages, including Python, Java, and Scala, making it a versatile choice for developers with diverse preferences. What sets Apache MXNet apart is its commitment to performance. It is optimized for both CPUs and GPUs, providing users with the flexibility to leverage the computing resources available to them. The fact that MXNet is freely available under the Apache 2.0 license underscores the commitment to democratizing access to advanced deep learning tools. DeepDream, Artistic Explorations with AI. DeepDream, a Google project, takes AI into the realm of art and creativity. Originally developed as an experiment in visualizing neural networks' inner workings, DeepDream has become a tool for generating unique and surreal images. The fascinating aspect of DeepDream is its ability to transform ordinary images into dreamlike, psychedelic artworks. By allowing users to tweak parameters and styles, DeepDream encourages artistic exploration with the assistance of AI. The fact that this tool is freely available for creative minds showcases the diverse applications of AI beyond traditional domains. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching.